Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll talk about 3D printers. 3D printing is a process in which a digital model is turned into a tangible, solid, three-dimensional object, usually by laying down many successive thin layers of a material. It has become popular so quickly because it makes manufacturing accessible to more people than ever before. This is partly due to the cheaper price of $300, but also the small size of the printers compared to traditional manufacturing. First, a virtual design of an object is made. This design will work like a blueprint for the 3D printer to read. This virtual design is made using CAD software, a type of software that can create precise drawings and technical illustrations. Once the virtual model is made, it must be prepared for printing. This is done by breaking down the model into many layers using a process called slicing. Slicing takes the model and slices it into hundreds or even thousands of thin horizontal layers using special software. After the model has been sliced, the slices are ready to be uploaded to the 3D printer. This is done using a USB cable or Wi Fi connection to move the sliced model from the computer to its 3D printer. When the file is uploaded to the 3D printer, it reads every single slice of the model and prints it layer by layer. The 3D printer will begin printing the layers of the material in a process known as material extrusion. Depending on the type of 3D printer and material being used, there are several methods of material extrusion. Most commonly, the 3D printer will have a nozzle ejecting a semi-liquid material like molten plastic, metal, or cement. The extrusion nozzle can move in both horizontal and vertical directions as it precisely places the material, following the blueprint of the digital model layer by layer. This process is repeated until the 3D printer has replicated every layer in the digital model with the extruded material. Nearly anything you can imagine can be turned into a design that can be 3D printed. 3D printers are helping designers, engineers, and even everyday people to create complex objects in ways previous manufacturing methods weren't capable of. 3D printers are being used to create toys, phone cases, tools, clothing, tables, lamps, pottery, art, and even cars. The medical field is also finding new ways to use 3D printing to help patients. Doctors are now able to print 3D medical models that are so accurate that surgeons can essentially do a practice run on a patient's 3D model before actually operating on that patient. 3D printing models are also being made to create less expensive, more durable, and better fitting prosthetics for individuals who have lost limbs. Hopefully, you learned something new about 3D printing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.